Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi 13 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for the smart. On the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher, so just find it and install. Click open. And click agree and continue. Here choose your favorite apps and click OK. And great, as you can see here, have a really simple interface. I'm using this launcher when I am at work, so here with this launcher I have no one in any features. So if you want to quickly find any application, just tap your finger on the alphabetical line and switch it to desired later. For example, if you want to find, I don't know, YouTube music, so just switch your finger to Y and here you will see your YouTube. If you want to find Play Store, for example, just switch it to P and here you will see the Play Store. So I really like this launcher, but when I am at home and when I have free time, I am using Smart Launcher 6. Not 5, but 6. So just find it and click install. Click open. Get started. I agree, confirm, continue. While using the app, allow. And here you will see suggested wallpaper or current. You can set it. You can pay for premium, but you can use it completely for free. And great. So here we have really beautiful interface, similar to Xiaomi interface, but it's really minimalistic. And here you have news, but here you have your applications with really great feature of automatically grouping. So here you have contacts, here you have internet connection, here you have games, media, utilities, and settings. And this launcher is really beautiful. You can set up your favorite games and I don't know, apps to scroll internet here, to surf internet here, to kill the time. So I really like this launcher. It's really beautiful and minimalistic. And on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. Find it, click install. Then click open. Get started while using the app, allow, continue. Here you can sign into the Microsoft account, click OK. Find and choose here your favorite apps, click OK, let's go, and great. So here, as you can see, we have really great glance panel. We can stop all our widgets here. So I'm using this launcher when I am at university, and I need to really quickly find the data I need to open applications I need. For example, you can set up gestures here. To do it, you need to open launcher settings, then find gestures, and for example, by swiping with 2 fingers up, I will open the clock. For example, of course, you can set up your Google Sheets or your Messenger or Facebook university group. So by swiping up, you will open desired application or the link, and it's really helpful if you need to do something really fast. And here in main menu, you can hide apps features, so you can hide unused in this scene of your life applications. And I really love this launcher because it's really very functional. You have the 2 lines of favorite apps here. Here you have your main menu, you can stop gestures. Here you can have several home screens, and all your widgets will be here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.